Okay, so these two images here are from the movie Barbie. So I watched that over the weekend, and I discovered again the pattern of an androgyne and this number 17. But in this movie, I can also include the addition of a ghost with that pattern. So I've been making videos over dybbuks, and essentially dybbuks are represented as ghosts or disembodied spirits. So in this movie, this character Barbie, I believe, may be representing the original androgyne. So this character here is Barbie's creator.
So you're Ruth Handler, inventor of Barbie. That's so cool.
So when this character presents itself, this is the commentary that is associated or included with this character in this particular scene. And it reads, "Her ghost keeps an office on the 17th floor."
Her ghost keeps an office on the 17th floor.
So we have this ghost being associated with the number 17, or this dybbuk being associated with the number 17.
Inventor of Barbie.
And that's significant because in the genetics story with Cosmo is a bull calf that was genetically altered. It had its chromosome 17 altered. There's that number again, 17.
Her ghost keeps an office on the 17th floor.
So that the SRY gene, which is responsible for the development of the male genitalia, was attached to chromosome 17. So typically this SRY gene is found on the Y chromosome, which is responsible for the male development. So that particular gene responsible for the male genitalia was isolated from the Y chromosome and placed onto chromosome 17. So that's also paralleling the dybbuk code, in that the dybbuk, the word itself, means to adhere or cling, which is precisely what's going on here with this SRY gene. It is adhering or clinging to chromosome 17. And again, it's this relationship here which is responsible for what would normally be an XX female to develop male genitalia. So then you get an XX female with male genitalia. Or maybe the original androgyne. Also, because that character is XX, which would have normally been female, but because it has that SRY gene attached to its 17 chromosome, it develops the male genitalia, but it lacks the genes responsible for sperm production. Those genes exist on the Y chromosome, but they didn't take them genes from the Y chromosome. They only took the genes responsible for developing male genitalia. So you get a sterile XX female with male genitalia.